Hello YouTubers, in this video I'm going to show you how to download WordPress and install it on your local drive so you can access the websites without any internet connection and you can save the work on your local drive. And I'm going to show you how to access multiple websites through that directory. Alright, let's start. First, you of course need to download WordPress, and then you're gonna have to install a software which is going to essentially it's gonna run a database backup server so you can access it on your local drive. So uh, you need to download WordPress, of course. I have an older version, so I'm gonna download this one. Okay, it's done. And then the application I'm going to use for my database access is called XAMPP. You can use FileZilla, or there are a lot of in the market that you can use, but for this tutorial I'm going to use XAMPP. So okay, here it is. It's downloaded here, so I'm just gonna extract it. Yeah, okay. Until the extraction is done, we can just go ahead and install XAMPP. You'll get a warning here, which essentially is gonna say that you need to install this software into a directory which doesn't have permissions, right? So don't install in your C drive. Just press OK and give it a path that is not the C drive, or at least your operating system's working on. Yes, I'm gonna just change the path here. Is not empty. Okay, I think I already have it there, but I can just go and delete this one for the sake of the tutorial. Now it's gonna install it. Alright, as you can see, the installation is nearly done. Let's go ahead and start it. Okay, this is the control panel for my database application. You're gonna just select these two and start them. Now to access the control panel, you can just click here on the admin, or you can just go ahead and write localhost /phpMyAdmin here. So as you can see, we have the database right over here. It's the server type. So here's the path that it's installed on. I'm gonna show you, but I've already extracted the WordPress file, so I'm gonna copy this and go to the path, go to htdocs. You will find this folder here, and I'm gonna go ahead and paste the WordPress here. Now, I was already working on some websites on this computer, so it might have the parameters saved. So first things first, I'm gonna do is create a database for this exact website. You can actually change this name to site one, or you know what, I'm gonna use the name of the site that I was working on earlier. It was a dog business, dog selling business. It's called Noble Shepherds. I'm gonna use this name. So this is going to be our site one. And since we are going to work on another website, I'm just gonna paste the WordPress folder again. Okay, you can just rename it to Tech Join, or all right, these two were the websites I was working on earlier, but it's kind of brand new, so you don't have to worry about that. But first, we're gonna need to make a database on the server that we just installed on the local server. So I'm just gonna come here to this panel and press new. So I'm gonna make sure that I type the name of the website of the two websites that I'm working on, Noble Shepherds and Real. I need to create the database for this website first, right? So I'm just gonna type Noble Shepherds here and then create. All right, that's done here. And you can actually I'm just gonna do it now. I'm just gonna create the database for my second website as well. You don't have to do it right now. It's just that if in future reference, for future reference, if you wanna create two websites on this, on your local WordPress server, and you have to do it like this. Create a separate database for your separate websites. That's necessary, and be sure that you get the name here exactly as you're saving the folder name here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and create it. All right, I have two servers, two database servers here. I'm gonna go ahead and open a new tab, and this time I'm gonna be typing localhost slash and then the name of the website I want to install. So this is the first time that I'm running the application, WordPress application, on this computer, so it's probably gonna ask me for the installation first. Okay, I'm gonna see. Yeah, there you go. As my servers are running Apache and MySQL, so I'm gonna, here's the installation. It's just a basic things that it's telling you. You need a database name, username, password, host. I'm gonna show you step by step how it works. So the data name base here is going to be Noble Shepherds, as we saved it here. The database name is Noble Shepherds. Username, just type root. You don't need the password here. Leave the settings and run the installation. Okay, your website name is Noble Shepherds. Your username is going to be admin, and password you can use right now. I'm just gonna use a simple password, WordPress admin 123. If you have a weak password, just click this, and it's optional. You don't have to, oh my bad, you don't have to like give it, it's just asking for email. So here it is. Okay, it's successfully, I'm gonna save this one. Alright, okay, it's installed. I'm just gonna press login here. And it has already saved my password and my username, so I'm just gonna log in. Here we are. We've successfully downloaded and installed WordPress on your local machine. Now you can just access it without the internet and save the files on your local drive. And for the second website, if you just open new tab and type localhost slash second website name, and it's gonna pop up, and yeah, I don't think it's gonna ask for the installation again. Let's see. Oh, there you go, it has asked. Okay, let's do it again. Database is reality IT admin. You can keep these settings as they are. Just, oh, you have to remove these, go submit, run the installation. Site title, reality, username admin, password WordPress admin 123, confirm week, and we can just there you go. The second website is installed as well. As you can see, my admin username and password here. Just press login, and now I can just work on both of the websites because they are accessing their database from this server and from these database names, Reality ID and Noble Shepherds. If you can see, I don't need to, okay. You can work on them. Basically, you can work on them at a time, and everything that you do is going to be saved here on your local drives, as you can see. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Thank you.